Hello students, this is Diksha and welcome back to Semstar online learning classes. Over here you will get the best platform to upgrade your knowledge and make yourself better. Okay, so as we have learned that sentences can be broadly classified into four categories according to their functions. So let's quickly play a game. And what is the name of that game? The name of that game is Signal Game. Okay. So what you have to do is, let's see, sentences will be shown to you. They do not have punctuations. Okay, so you have to identify if it is declarative or interrogative using the signals on the next slide. That means punctuation mark is not used over there, full stop is not used, question mark is not used, exclamation mark is not used. You have to understand which type of sentence it is, and then you have to do certain signal. Okay, so let's see what are the signals. So if the sentence is a declarative sentence, so you have to do this action. That means you have to put your index finger on your left hand. If the sentence is an interrogative sentence, you have to posture like you are thinking. Okay, so you might be thinking that what ma'am is making us do, but if you will watch this video very carefully and you will do such type of signals and you will understand which type of sentence it is, it will be a very interesting game and you will seriously enjoy if you will play it enthusiastically. So let's move to the next slide, but you have to be very quick, okay, because I will be telling the answers also. Are you sick? Are you sick? Somebody is asking something, right? It is starting with a helping verb. Okay, are you sick? So you'll reply in yes or no. So you have to put question mark at the end, and this is what? This is an interrogative sentence. Mr. Chu arranged the flowers in the vase. So over here somebody is giving you information, right? So you have to end it with a full stop. So this is what? This is an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. I have a stomach ache. Again, this will be what? This will be an assertive sentence, so you have to put full stop at the end. Next, where did you go? Where did you go? It is starting with WH question, so you have to put question mark at the end. So this is interrogative sentence. Okay, come on. Next, who composed the national anthem? Again somebody is asking something. Who? WH question, so this is an interrogative sentence. You have to put question mark. Do you want to play badminton after school? Somebody is asking something. You will reply yes or no. It is starting with a helping verb. So this is an interrogative sentence. You have to put question mark. Very good. I love drinking freshly squeezed orange juice. Somebody is telling something. Somebody is giving information. So you have to put full stop. This is an assertive sentence. It is already the fourth quarter. Again, full stop you have to put over there. This is an assertive sentence. Very good. Is it my turn or yours? Is it my turn or yours? Question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Is that an elephant on top of the tree? Again, somebody is asking something. Interrogative sentence. You have to put question mark. Are we the most well-behaved class? Are we? Aren't we actually? So again this is an interrogative sentence. Question mark. Yes. Now this is another set of questions for you. Now if the sentence is an imperative sentence, do this action. That means you have to make a fist and then you have to put it on your left hand. And if the sentence is an exclamatory sentence, you have to do this action, that yay. Okay, so let's move. Come early tomorrow. This is what? This is an imperative sentence. Somebody is telling you something. Okay, next one. Help, help. Somebody is expressing something, right? So you have to put exclamation mark over there. This is an exclamatory to do something. You have to wash the dishes, right? So you have to put full stop. This is an imperative sentence. Copy the homework on the history civics notebook. Again, your teacher is telling you that you have to copy the homework, right? So somebody is telling you to do something. So it is what? It is an imperative sentence. Ouch! The needle is so sharp. Expressing a strong feeling, right? So this is what? This is an exclamatory sentence. You have to put what? Exclamation mark. Please help me with with these books. Somebody is asking for your help. Somebody is requesting you. So this is an imperative sentence. Very good. Draw the best Minecraft character on the paper. Again, somebody is telling you to do something. So this is an imperative sentence. You have to put a full stop. So amazing. Amazing it was, right? You did a fantastic job. And I hope you enjoyed playing this game. So another notebook drill for you, and again I'll say that you have to do it in rough copy, not fair copy. So get your English notebook. If you need more pages, use the back part of the notebook. It is up to you. Write the date today, write the title, kinds of sentences, number your paper with 1. Okay, so write D for declarative sentence, I for interrogative sentence, C for command or imperative, E for exclamatory sentence. Copy and put punctuation mark. Like the strong wind blew my hat. Do you want to play basketball? So you have to first analyze and understand which type of sentence this is, and accordingly you have to put punctuation mark. I hope this is clear to everyone. In the next slide I have shared the answer, but first you will do by yourself and then you will self check the answers. Okay, so like this we have revised 2 chapters. First one was sentences types, and second one was subject and predicate, and like this we will continue to revise some more chapters. Till then, what you have to do, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you and all the best.